Welcome back to another BlackHat MEA CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the Forensics Challenge bus. Let's get into it. We have established our communication protocol, and it is in testing phase. The message transmission is secure and can't be retrieved. It's up to you to tell us how secure it is. Okay, so they give us a file to download here. It's called bus.pcat. Let's go ahead and crack it open, see what we're dealing with. And it's a pretty standard Modbus protocol. So what we can do is select the Modbus protocol and check out what values it's writing and reading to. And we see that there's zeros here, and that's a query and response. So query and response are going to have the same data in them. So let's see, that one is FF00. That's a 00. FF00. Okay, so it looks like there's two different values. It can be either 000 or FF00. Well, when you're reading coils, usually they're in the form of binary, zeros and ones, and that's the kind of data you're getting through. So we probably just need to take all those datas, the 0000 and the FF00, and convert all the data from those values to binary. Now, there's a very simple way for us to pull that data, and we can do that easily with T-Shark. So I'm going to pull this over here, and I'm going to bring up my T-Shark window. And, well, my PowerShell terminal where I'm going to run my T-Shark commands. And we're going to do T-Shark, tac R, and then, of course, the file name. And we're going to do tac T fields. And then tac E, we want the Modbus data, so we can apply this as a filter to see what it's called. It's just called modbus.data, so we'll do modbus.data. And we want to do some conditions, of course. We want to say where modbus.data. Now, since it's a hex value, we need to actually, instead of doing like an empty string, we need to make sure that it's actually like an integer or something like that. So we can just do modbus not equal to 0, or modbus.data not equal to 0. And then we want to do and, like so. We want to say, since we just want the queries, if we do queries and responses, we're going to get duplicates of everything. We don't want duplicates. So if we just want the queries, it looks like the destination port is 502, whereas on the responses, the destination port changes. So we want to stick to 502. Yeah, 502 for the queries. Yep. Okay, so we can do that with tcp.dst port, and we can say equal 502 like so. And then if we press enter, we can see we get all that Modbus data we wanted. Now all we need to do is redirect all of that output to a file. And then go to that file. Let's open it with Notepad++. And we're just going to simply Control H for finding and replacing. And we're going to do 4 zeros and replace that with a single 0. And then we're going to replace all the FF00s with 1s. And now we have binary. But we also need to get rid of the new lines. So we can just do \r/n. Since we're on Windows, it would just be \n if we were on Linux. And as you can see, I had the extended escape characters selected down here so that these actually get interpreted and substituted for escape characters. And then we're going to just replace that with nothing. And then we get one long string of binary. We're going to take that binary and we're going to go to CyberChef. And we're going to paste that in here. And we're going to say from binary. So this. And there's our flag. Modbus is easy after all. We'll copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.